10th class science second lesson acid, bases and salt. It comes under the chemistry part, acid, bases and salts. First of all, we study about the acidic properties. They are sour in taste. They turn blue litmus to red. They give H plus ions in aqueous solution. And acid corrodes or damages the metals. These are the physical properties of acid. Next example. Acids are divided into two types, strong acid and weak acids. Strong acids example are hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Weak acid example are acetic acid, oxalic acid and citric acid. So it will ask for the 2 to 3 marks. Write the properties of acids with an example. Citric acid example is lemon or oranges. So here with the help of litmus paper they show. First litmus paper is in a blue color. When it comes in contact with the lemon juice, it turns the red color. Next one, concentrated acid and the dilute acid. Acid concentrate the properties. When it want to dilute in acid, if you add the water, it becomes the dilute. So concentrated acid plus water, it becomes the dilute acid. Next, basis properties or basic properties. These are bitter in taste. Bases are, they turn red litmus to blue. They give OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. And they are soapy in touch. Here with the example they given, litmus paper, red litmus turns the blue in color when it comes in contact with soap. For example, strong base are NaOH, sodium hydroxide, KOH, potassium hydroxide, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. Weak bases are NH4OH. Next point is alkali. These are bases which are soluble in water, that is a sodium hydroxide, NaOH. With the help of soap, they given the NaOH. When the litmus paper, red litmus turns into the blue. Same, it will also ask the question 2 to 3 marks. Write the properties with an example of bases. Next, indicators. Indicators are the substance which changes their color or smell in different types of substances. Once again, 1 marks it will ask, what is the meaning of indicator? These are the substance which changes their color or smell in different types of substances. Now types of indicators. Natural indicators. Those indicators found in a nature, in a plants called as natural indicator. Litmus, with the help of litmus paper they shown. red litmus turns into the blue. It is acid turns into the bases. Second example, turmeric, it changes into the acid into bases. Second one, synthetic indicators. These are the chemical substances. Synthetic means artificial. These are chemical substances. For example, methylene orange and phenolphthalein. Its color is changes. See, in acidic it is a red in color and in bases it is the yellow in color. And while acid into bases, it turns into the red to yellow, and the bases turns into the yellow into violet color. Third one, olfactory indicators. These are the substances have a different order in acid and bases. Order means smell. That's why the name is again olfactory. Example, vanilla essence and clove oil. It has a strong smell. That's why it is calling as olfactory indicators. Vanilla acidic in nature and basic in nature. These are the smell. Chemical properties of acid and bases. Reaction of metals with acid as well as reaction of metals with bases. First we will study about the acidic. When acid react with metal, it forms as a salt plus hydrogen gas is liberating. With the help of example is shown. When hydrochloric acid HCl react with zinc metal, it forms as a zinc chloride ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas is liberating. So in case of acidic, acid react with metal, it forms salt plus hydrogen gas is liberating. Zinc chloride. In case of bases, when bases react with metal, it forms salt plus hydrogen gas is liberating. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, when reacts with zinc metal, it forms Na2ZnO2, sodium, zinc oxide, that is calling as a sodium zinc plus hydrogen gas is liberating. These are the reaction of metals with acid and base. Next, testing of hydrogen gas. When hydrogen gas is released, can be tested by bringing burning candle near a gas bubbles. It bursts with the pop sound. That time we indicating that hydrogen gas is liberated. With the help of diagram, it is shown. In the test tube, taken the hydrogen gas, and when it burns near the candles, the bubbles occurs and it makes the sound. So it indicates that hydrogen gas is liberated. A reaction of metals with carbonates as well as hydrogen carbonates with acid. When acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, it forms salt plus carbon dioxide gas liberating and water occurs. For example given, when HCl react with sodium carbonate Na2CO3, it forms NaCl, that is a sodium chloride salt plus liberation of hydrogen carbon dioxide gas and water. When HCl react with NaHCO3, it forms NaCl salt plus carbon dioxide gas liberating and occurs the water. These are the reaction of metal carbonates with acid. Now bases do not react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Testing of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be tested by passing it to the lime water. Lime water is nothing but CaOH twice. It is a lime water. When react with carbon dioxide, it forms as a CaCO3 plus water H2O forms. So during this one, carbon dioxide gas is releasing. CaCO3, it is the milky white color CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. When excess of carbon dioxide is passed, so CaCO3 when react with carbon dioxide and water, it forms as a CaHCO3. CaHCO3 is nothing but colorless. When it forms a milky white color, is converted into the colorless. Reaction of acid and bases with each other. When acid react with base, it forms as a salt plus water. In HCl, it is an acid and react with the base sodium hydroxide NaOH. It forms as a sodium chloride plus water. Neutralization reaction. When an acid and bases react to form water and salt, called as neutralization reaction. Once again, when an acid and base react to form water and salt, called as neutralization reaction. It involves H plus and OH minus ions to generate the water. So it is called as neutralization reaction. H plus OH minus ions, it forms H2O. Reaction of metallic oxides with acid. So it is in a basic in nature. When acid react with metallic oxide, it forms salt plus water. Basic in nature example CaO, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide MgO. So these are the reaction of metallic oxide with acid. Now reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. Metallic oxides example is given here. When hydrochloric acid HCl react with CaO, it forms CaCl2, calcium chloride plus water. Now balancing here, 2 HCl taken because balancing the equation. A reaction of non-metallic oxide with bases. It is acidic in nature. When base react with non-metallic oxide, it forms salt plus water formation. Example, CaOH twice plus CO2, it forms CaCO3 plus water. So CO2, it reacts with the CO2, that is the carbon dioxide. CaCO3 is a salt here and water formation. What do the acid and bases have in a common characteristics? Or it will ask for the differentiate between acid and bases. 2 marks. All acids have H plus ions. Mean important. Acids have H plus ions. And these H plus ions is responsible for their acidic properties. Because of H plus ions only, we are calling these are the acidic properties. In case of bases, all bases have OH minus ions. So OH minus ions, these are the main characteristics of bases. And these OH minus ions are responsible for basic in nature. Next, acidic. When the acid and bases react with water solution. When acid, that is the H plus ions, react with water, it forms H3O plus ions. When HCl react with water, it forms H3O plus and plus formation of Cl minus ions. H plus ions cannot exist alone. They exist as a H3O plus, that is the hydronium ion. H3O is calling as a hydronium ions. In case of bases, when dissolved in water, it gives OH minus ions. NaOH dissolving in water, it forms Na plus and OH minus ions. Now, universal indicator. 1 mark definition. It is a mixture of several indicators. It shows different colors at a different concentration of H plus ions in the solution. There is a pH ions, pH indicators. Mainly it shows the H plus ions. Here 1 to 0 to 14 numbers is given. So how it comes, go from 0 to increasing in number, the color is changing. That is red to orange, then light yellow, green, blue. So until 14 it becomes a dark blue in color. 7 is the neutral in number. That is the pH of 7 is neutral. When it comes below 7, it called as the acidic in nature. And when it comes above, it called as a basic in nature. Below 7 is the acidic pH level is the acidic, and above 7 to 14 its pH level is 14. Above 7 to 14. It ranges from, so acidic pH is ranges from 0 to 7 and basic indicators, that is the pH is 7 to 14 and 7 is the neutral pH. Uses of importance of pH in everyday life. Our body works between pH 7 to 7.8. It is very important. Our bodies also shows the indicator, that is the pH level. It comes under 7 to 7.8 pH. So healthy body's pH level is 7 to 7.8. Second property, second uses. pH of rain less than 5.6 is called as acid rain. So less than 5.6 pH is called as acid rain. Our stomach produces the hydrochloric acid, HCl. When the tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is less than 5.5. Plant need the specific pH for their healthy growth. And self-defense by animals by producing the methonic acid. By biting any insect, that time our pH level is increasing or decreasing, depend upon that insect.